Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Talk English. My name's John, I'm from California, and I love helping you speak English like a friend.
And hi, I'm Emma. I'm from Colorado. John and I are good friends, and today we're just gonna sit and talk. Super slow and easy, so you can practice with us.
Exactly. No rush, no hard words, just real English like coffee with friends.
Today we're talking about habits. You know, the things we do every day, every week.
Yeah, like what time do you wake up? Do you drink coffee? Do you exercise? Little things like that.
Perfect for beginners because habits use easy grammar. I usually, I always, I never.
So grab some tea or coffee, sit back, and listen. Repeat after us if you want.
Okay, let's start easy. John, how's your morning going so far?
Pretty good. I woke up at 7:30 today. A little late for me. Usually I wake up at 6:45 or 7.
Wow, 6:45? That's early. I usually wake up around 8 or 8:30.
Really? 8:30? Lucky you. Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. But I hit snooze 3 or 4 times. Bad habit.
Same. I set my alarm for 6:45, but I usually get out of bed at 7:15 or 7:20. The snooze button is my best friend and my worst enemy.
Totally. So, what's the first thing you do after you get up?
I go to the bathroom, wash my face with cold water, and then I make coffee. Coffee is life.
Coffee is life. Me too. I cannot think before coffee. My brain is like off.
Exactly. Do you make coffee at home or go to a cafe?
At home, every day. I have a little coffee machine. I usually drink 2 cups in the morning.
2 cups. Nice. I drink 1 big cup. Black coffee, no sugar, no milk.
Oh, wow, strong. I put milk and a little sugar, not too much. I'm trying to cut sugar, but it's hard.
Yeah, sugar is my weakness too. I love cookies, cake, ice cream.
Same. Okay, after coffee, what do you do next?
Yoga is awesome. I'm too stiff for yoga. Tries to touch toes and fails.
You'll get better with practice. I started very bad too.
Maybe I'll try again. What time do you start work or study?
Around 9:30 or 10. I work from home, so my schedule is flexible.
Lucky, I start at 9, so I leave the house at 8:20. I take the bus.
Do you listen to music or podcasts on the bus?
Always music. Happy songs in the morning, pop, maybe some old rock.
Cute. I listen to English podcasts because, well, I want to improve my English. Wait, I am American.
Emma, you're already perfect.
I mean, I listen to learn new expressions for videos like this.
Good habit. Okay, workday habits. Do you take breaks?
Yes. Every 2 hours, I stand up, walk around, drink water. Very important.
I forget to drink water. I maybe drink 3 glasses a day. Terrible.
Oh no, you need more. I have a big water bottle on my desk, 1 liter. I try to finish 2 bottles before dinner.
Okay, I'm buying a big bottle tomorrow. Promise.
Yay! Small changes, big difference.
True. Lunchtime, what do you usually eat?
Something simple, salad with chicken or a sandwich. I make it at home and bring it to my desk.
Same. I hate buying lunch every day. Too expensive. I make a big salad on Sunday and eat it all week.
Smart. Meal prep, another good habit.
Yeah. Afternoon, do you drink more coffee?
1 more cup around 3. Decaf because real coffee makes me shaky afternoon.
I stop coffee at 11. After that, green tea.
Healthy, John. I love green tea too, but I forget.
Smiles. We can remind each other.
Deal. Okay, when do you finish work?
Usually 5:30 or 6. Then I go to the gym 2 times a week. Weights, not cardio.
Nice. I walk in the evening, about 40 minutes. I listen to audiobooks.
That's relaxing. I should walk more. I just go home and watch YouTube.
Hey, that's okay. Rest is important too. What do you watch?
Cooking channels, travel.
Let's talk about habits we want to change.
Oh, yes, I want to read more books. I always say tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes.
I understand. I want to meditate 5 minutes every day. I have the app, but I forget.
We can be accountability buddies. I read, you meditate, we message each other.
Yes, starting this week.
Perfect.
Another habit I want, speak English every day, even just 10 minutes out loud.
You already do with me.
True, but I mean alone, like talking to myself, describing what I see.
That's a great idea for learners watching this. Try it. I see a blue cup. The weather is sunny.
Exactly, super helpful.
I want to drink less soda. Only water and tea.
You can do it. Replace 1 soda a day with water.
Baby steps. I like that.
So, to finish, what's one habit that makes you really happy?
Thanks for a moment. My thankful notebook at night. It helps me sleep better.
Beautiful. For me, my evening walk. I feel peaceful and strong.
Love that. Everyone watching, think about your habits. Which ones make you happy? Which ones do you want to start or stop?
And remember, small changes every day equal big results later.
Start with one tiny habit this week. Drink 1 more glass of water. Walk 10 minutes. Read 1 page.
You got this.
We believe in you.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
See you in the next video. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Wait. Before we say goodbye, Emma, can we talk a little more about that thankful notebook thing? A lot of our students asked about it in the comments last time. They want to know more.
Oh, yes. Gratitude journaling. I love that you call it thankful notebook. So cute and simple.
Yeah, it's not fancy, just a cheap little notebook I bought at the dollar store. But it changed my nights. Let's explain it slowly for everyone, okay?
Perfect. So, John, when did you start doing this?
About 2 years ago, I was feeling kind of stressed every night. Work, money, life, you know. My head was full of problems when I tried to sleep, racing thoughts.
I know that feeling. Brain won't turn off.
Exactly. Then I watched a video. Some doctor said, write 3 things you're thankful for every night. Just 3. Takes 2 minutes. I thought, okay, easy. I'll try for 1 week.
And?
The first night was hard. I wrote, I have a bed. I ate dinner today. My mom called me. Super basic,
But that's perfect. Beginners start basic. That's honest.
right? The second night was easier. Third night, I started smiling while writing. Now, I can't sleep without it.
So right now, how do you do it? Step by step, slow for our friends learning English.
Okay, super slow. Step 1, I sit on my bed, lights low. Step 2, I open the notebook and write the date. Just November 24th or whatever. Step 3, I write, today I'm thankful for. Step 4, 3 things. Only 3. Sometimes small, sometimes big.
Can you read yesterday's 3 things again?
Sure. Yesterday I wrote strong morning coffee that tasted perfect. My sister sent me a funny video and we laughed on the phone. The sun came out in the afternoon and made everything golden.
So nice. See? 2 small, 1 a little bigger. Perfect mix.
Yeah, some days it's really tiny things like warm socks or the bus came on time.
I love warm socks. That's real life.
Totally. And when life is hard, I still find 3. For example, last month I was sick, fever, no energy. I wrote medicine that helps with the fever. My friend brought soup, soft blanket on the couch.
Beautiful. Even on bad days, we have something.
That's the magic. It trains your brain to look for good things.
Yes, science says gratitude makes us happier, but we don't need science, we feel it.
True. Okay, let's help our students start tonight.
Yes, here's the super easy way for beginners. First, find any paper or notebook. Even 1 page is okay. Second, every night before sleep, write the date. Third, write I'm thankful for or today good things. Simple English is perfect. Fourth, write 1, 2, 3. 3 things. Fifth, that's it. Close the book and sleep.
You can write in English, your language, or both. No rules.
Examples for beginners. I have food today. My family is okay. I learned 1 new English word. The weather is nice. I have clean water. My phone works. I smiled 1 time today.
See? Impossible to do it wrong.
And if you miss one night, no problem. Just start again tomorrow. It's not homework. It's a gift to yourself.
Exactly. I missed a few nights when I traveled. When I came home, I wrote 6 things that night. Laughed.
Extra grateful.
One more thing. Sometimes I draw a little heart or smiley face next to the list. Makes me happy when I read old pages.
So sweet. I started last week because of you, John. My 3 things last night were talking with John for the video, my mom's voice on the phone, and new soft pajamas, so comfortable.
Aw, thank you for number 1. I feel special.
You are! Okay, friends watching, try it tonight. Just 3 things. Take a photo of your page and tag us if you want to. We love seeing them.
Yes, and next month we'll tell you how it changed us. Deal?
Deal. Small habit, big happy heart.
Couldn't say it better.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You're amazing. See you soon.
Bye-bye.